Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get tax information from Robinhood. To begin, understand that Robinhood makes your tax documents available digitally. These forms are vital for reporting your investment income and capital gains or losses to the tax authorities. We will walk through the simple steps to locate and download these important documents, ensuring you have everything ready for tax season. This process is straightforward and helps you stay compliant. Finding your tax forms on Robinhood is quite simple. First, open your Robinhood application and tap on the account icon, which looks like a person. Next, scroll down and select Statements and History. From there, you will see an option for Tax Documents. Tap this to access all your available forms. Remember, most documents are typically ready by mid-February. Robinhood provides several key tax forms. The 1099-B form reports sales of stocks and other securities. If you receive dividends, you will get a 1099 DIV. For any interest earned on uninvested cash, look for a 1099 INT. Finally, a 1099 MISC might be issued for other types of income. Understanding these helps you file correctly. As you prepare your taxes, remember a few important points. Always double-check that your personal information on Robinhood is current and accurate. If you have complex tax situations, it is always wise to consult a qualified tax professional for personalized advice. Also, keep copies of all your tax documents for at least 3 years. Robinhood typically issues forms for accounts with over $10 in income.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.